don't recommend every day, because that seems like a bit excessive. You know, you don't want to have too much of a good thing. Welcome back, people. Hey, what's good, man? I'm gonna go ahead and talk about my moisturization routine. Okay, so to keep yourself wet, aka moisturized, aka healthy with the locks, what you need to do is basically study how your scalp reacts to dryness or how well it holds the moisture. You know, there are such things as healing oils, which I did talk about. As far as my routine, I take a shower. After the shower, I'll go ahead and oil up. Boom, boom, boom. Now, a day or so after that, I'll say 2 days after that, I'll go ahead and hit myself with the oil again. Either that or I have a bottle of water in a spray bottle and I squirt that into my locks, and it got water and some oils in it. You know, that's been pre-mixed already. So shake that up, spray it in, especially if I don't have a retwist going on, because then it gets drier quicker. If that makes any sense to you. If I have a retwist and it's fresh, I got my scalp showing, then I don't have to moisturize as often. I'm not sure why, but that's what I found out recently. So, every other day, I hit it with the essential oils or the spray. Now, the spray is, I'll say, quicker. So it's a go-to for a quick on-the-go, hey, I need to moisturize. I'm looking kind of dry, foul. I'm all right now. Cool, you can get that. But with the oils, you're going to have to put it in, massage it through the scalp, and then let it sit. Feel me? Unless you're doing an oil treatment, then you buy a hot oil treatment, put the bag on it, stop, recycle cap, don't matter, let it sit, and you're good with that. I will be doing that soon too, so stay tuned. But as far as moisturization, if your scalp is kind of dry, you probably want to do it every other day. I don't recommend every day, because that seems like a bit excessive. You know, you don't want to have too much of a good thing. So every other day is cool. Every 3 days or 4 days, cool. If you every week, that's cool. Some of us not as lucky as to be able to go a whole week without applying any type of moisturization to help the scalp out from dryness. You feel me? But if this helped you out in any way, type, shape, or form, go ahead and like the video, share the video, whatever you need to do. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below, and I'll get at you real quick. If you have anything you want to say on the comments, I will put it in the next video. That's just how my videos work. But if you want to stay tuned, go ahead and subscribe. And this is your boy Mo Bay. Till next time, I'm out.